going head to head today, and we are going to be making gingerbread trains. Now, I couldn't find the actual gingerbread houses, so we're going with the gingerbread trains. And we're very excited, feeling very Christmassy and festive. So we thought we might as well try these out and see how well we can get on. And it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. And we need you guys to comment down below who you think has won at the end of this challenge. I think it's going to be me, and Brooke thinks
me.
Brooke. So we'll see how we get on. Let's get straight into it. I've actually had to make the icing. It gave us some ice and sugar, but I had to make it. So I put some in the piping bag. So this is what it comes with. I'll show you. We've got some
I need the box.
sweets, sort of like.
Why are these like clays?
I don't know. Some more sweets here. Like this. This goes in the train. Obviously the main train. That is not the main train, but there is the main train. So if we get everything out, of course the instructions are on the back. Right. So. First thing first, separate the gingerbread pieces up.
Then put letters on.
Yes.
Oh, they stink. It stinks.
I don't like gingerbread. That's a bit burnt.
Oh.
This was from Lidl, by the way. So you've got A and B.
Where's
A,
that?
B.
Oh, this is A and B.
Yep. C and D. Oh my goodness, there's so many different ones here.
This is so
E,
confusing.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
And then a P.
No. R,
Q.
M, N, O, P, Q. Do not cut part R.
Oh, this is confusing me.
This
There's
is
so
going
many.
to be so confusing. Let's start cutting. We've got some boards. Brooke, would you like this board?
I'll have that one, please.
Oh, okay. Straight away.
First, separate the gingerbread pieces 1 and 2. Pieces 5 and 6 and 7.
You have to be really careful when you're cutting it. Don't you dare.
It's so sticky.
First one, done.
You know, I'm just gonna have to break
No,
it.
careful.
There we go.
Alright. Right, we've got everything cut out, you can see, in front of us. Now it's time to start assembling everything. Whilst we're assembling, we're going to do a few little questions and have a little chat. I don't know how much fun we're going to have with this one, to be honest. I think this could be a pain.
Where do I put this?
No. This is how mine's looking so far. I think I'm there at the other end. I'm so worried about it.
It's coming out the top, Lils.
Hold it. Stop wiping it on mine. I put this the wrong way round. What is going on in the life of Brooke? Because you've not been on the camera for a while.
Not much. Just school and work.
School and work. And what have you got planned for up until Christmas now?
I'm going to Wonderland tomorrow. Sunday I've got a great Gatsby party.
Do you?
And my dress hasn't even come, and if it doesn't come, and I
You're
don't
gonna
think
be so
it's going to
upset.
come, going out for dinner on Tuesday.
Oh yeah, we're all going out for dinner on Tuesday with Rosie and George and Brooke and Harrison and me and Kai, all going for a Christmas dinner.
Well, we're not going for a Christmas dinner.
No,
like
but we're going for a Christmassy dinner. What have you asked for Christmas, Brooke?
literally just clothes. I don't really need much else.
Just
But it's my 18th in February.
18th is coming up.
But I have no idea what I would like.
What have you got planned for your 18th?
Well, I'm having a joint party with my friends, which is in
January, because whose birthday's in January? Is it Leah's?
Yeah.
When's Martha's?
Hers isn't until March, but we could only get a date, which was then.
So it kind of makes sense.
So we had to do it then. And mine and Lexi's was on the 6th and 7th.
I've just looked on here, and this in the picture, this is actually standing. I really don't think that we're going to get this standing. Like, they are holding it all up. There's no way. It just didn't look right, did it? It's just too...
Ow!
Ouch! You cut yourself. Brooke has actually just managed to cut herself.
I don't know how.
Right, so I actually have now finished the whole train part. So now I need to do the carriage. That's pretty easy. It's just a piece that I took off the top of the chimney part. I'm going to stick it in the middle and make it act as if it's the connector between the actual train and the carriage. Thinking outside the box here, guys. Right, we are pretty much now done. Brooke is just putting her wheels onto the carriage. This is what mine is looking like. It's my little train. I don't think it looks too bad. So now it's time to decorate. We've got these. These are meant to go inside, be a bit like things that are being transported in the train. They don't look that great though, I won't lie. Look at that.
Ew.
You putting them all in? We've got some fizzy, these look like fizzy ones, these ones and these ones. So we can start to decorate with these.
Oh my god.
Actually need to do that, right? No, you don't need them. They're for decorating. I don't know where to start with this decorating now.
What have you asked for Christmas, Lily?
I have asked for, I think I spoke about this in my last video. We went shopping the other day and I really liked these Uggs.
Oh my god!
I thought they were really nice. They are the Ugg trainers, but
Stuck on my brain.
I might just buy them myself, to be honest. I saw a few things from the Couture Club that I liked the look of. I just need a few extra bits and pieces, so just bits like that really. Okay, we're nearly done. Brooke is saying she's done, but I mean, I'm not going to tell her to carry on because that just gives me more of a chance of winning. Are you using my sweets? What is holiday plans for next year?
Well,
So obviously you
I'm
finished
going-
school.
yeah, I'm going skiing in February.
Right,
to
for your
school.
birthday.
Yeah. And then I finish school around June. So I'll probably go on a girls' holiday. And then we're going to Portugal for Mum's birthday. And then we're going to Ibiza for our friend's 18th. And then me and my boyfriend will probably go away in
Yeah, you
August
wanna do
time.
one. Yeah,
So-
me and Kai was looking at August.
We've got loads of holidays planned for next year.
Yes. Well, I'm
Girls
trying to-
isn't coming skiing.
No, I really want to go skiing though. I said to Kai, maybe we could do skiing holiday like next year, not next year, like 2027, because 2026 is just going to be a bit too busy, I think. Oh, don't you dare. Oh my god. What are you doing? I was so focused then as well. Oh my god, you've actually soaked. Oh my god, my hair is soaked.
Alright, this is my one.
I'm nearly done. I think I finished, guys. Now you guys have seen the full product up close and personal. We need you guys to comment down below who has won this gingerbread train challenge, because I think it's me, but I did really enjoy doing that, and I don't know, maybe I did kind of like doing that more than the houses, because there's like smaller pieces, whereas this is all a bit bigger with the house. So glad Lidl only had the trains. But anyways, guys, that means that is the end of the video. So make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Have a lovely Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye! now we are all done with them and there's nothing else to do with them, so...
Nails! Oh my god, that went everywhere.